Hey, what's up everyone? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I have here a model kit from Kotobukiya which came from the anime series or Mecha anime series Ginga Kikoutai Majestic Brains. So this Mecha anime is somehow the same like Sokino Fafner, Valbrave, Muv-Love, or any mecha anime that fights aliens. So that's this mecha anime all about. To be honest, I didn't watch the whole series. I just watched some clips from each episode, and I find the anime nice as well. But for me, nothing beats Gundam. But I really like their designs, these mecha anime designs, and I much like the Gold 4. But before we go to the Gold 4, let's have this Red 5 here. So I have here one of the main character or main mecha suits in that anime, which is the Red 5. So I think this is the main protagonist suit, but there are other suits as well, and one of those suits which I love the most, the design, is the Gold 4. But sad to say, Gold 4 is I think discontinued by Kotobukiya because it's not that popular for some mecha collectors. But I'm very thankful that Kotobukiya re-released this model kit, this Red 5. That's why instead of waiting for that Red 4 to be reissued, I bought this re-released Red 5 normal version. To be honest, there's another version of this where there's another additional weapon for this kit, but they released the normal version. Anyway, let's check this normal version and let's see how it will go and what it looks like. So we have here the Red 5 from Kotobukiya, and this is the box art is somehow like a Gundamish illustration. So it looks like somehow a Gundam box art, but no, it's not a Gundam. It's a I forgot the term of this mecha suit, but this is Red 5. Okay, so we have here Red 5 with open wing parts where it glows. I think this is somehow like the hyper mode of the Red 5. Let's just call it a hyper mode. And he has this chainsaw weapon. It acts as a beam at the same time, a melee weapon. So beam gun and melee weapon. So it says here Red 5 non-scale full action plastic model kit. And when you say non-scale, it's like somehow a master grade, small master grade height or equivalent size, something like that. But based on the review, it's a 16 centimeter height model kit. So on the side of the box, we can see there we have the action poses, the flying pose, where these flannels here are all open. The weapons, there is this a chainsaw-like gun, and the gimmick here, you can interchange these parts to represent an opened wing, and this is the unpainted sample. So this is a straight build kit, so it looks decent also. So it's nice to put in your collection. But honestly, I much like the Gold 4 because it's big, it's taller, and the design is really nice. But let's just review this, even though I don't like this kit, to be honest. But let's review. So we have here the front view and the back view of this kit. So it's a decent looking kit also. So if open the box now, let's open it. Open. Oh, I cannot open it nicely. Yep. Okay. So we'll see the manual. So the manual here is very simple. It says here Red 5 Operation Manual. So we can see here the statement, and then there are the parts. So it's not that much. It's a simple build, and there's a stand here included. So as usual, Kotobukiya has the black and white printout for this kit, for this manual. And in the middle we have a colored printout of the kit or the manual. So we have here the front view, rear view, and this hyper mode, let's say hyper mode version. And there's this flying pose and the RX-79 or RX-78 upward shooting pose. Very nice. And then the back of the manual, you can see just a black print or cover there. So let's check the contents. We have here red parts. So this is the closed flannels, and these are the open flannels. So I might choose the open flannel just to have a cool design or cool silhouette. So we have here red runners and white runners, and we have here all white runners. We have foil stickers here for the color correcting foil stickers. So we have here red colored runners and a creamy runner here for, I think this one for the armor pieces. So we have here gray pieces, gray parts, and some brown parts here. There's this hand of the kit. So the hands are small. It's like a 1 and 1/4 scale hand. We have here joint parts. So these are, it's like brown, to be honest. I don't know if how it looks like in the screen, but on the actual site, it's like brownish gray. We have here white parts for the head, and I don't know what kind of this is a separate piece here for runner D. Maybe this one for the face. We have here gray parts for the inner frame. We have blue parts here for the wing. This is the interchangeable part for open wing gimmick. And we have here cream parts again for the armor pieces. We have action base connector, same like the Moglove action base. Very nice, to be honest. And finally, we have here clear color parts and polycaps. We have polycaps here, white colored polycaps. It's my first time to see white colored polycaps. And these are for the clear parts and for the chainsaw parts here. Very nice. So as always, let's have a quick review for the runners here. So let's go first to the red runner, since this is a red 5, so it's red. And we have here runner C, 2 sets of runner C for the red runners. So runner C. We have here the runner B for this open and close flannels for the back. We have the last piece of red runners here for runner A. And these are for the gun, for the head, and for armor pieces. So let's go to the white parts. We have here runner E for armor pieces. We have this small runner D here with only one piece. I don't know which part is this, maybe for the face. We have here a small white runner for runner H. We have cream colored runners for runner O and another runner O. So we have two sets of runner O here. We have this brownish gray runners for runner K, another runner K. So we have two sets of runner K. We have gray colored runners for armor pieces, and this is runner M. I mean, we have here runner J for the armor pieces. For the hands, the hands are very small. Scale of hand. It's like 1 1/44 scale. We have here blue runners for the wings and some armor pieces. We have clear colored parts here and another clear colored parts for the chainsaw. We have another cream colored parts for runner P. Polycaps, white polycaps. Gray parts here we have two runner L, two sets of runner L for the gray parts, and finally we have white parts here for runner I and another runner I. So we have two sets of runner I here, and we have foil sticker, small set of foil sticker, and this is very nice since Kotobukiya doesn't rely much on stickers, unlike Bandai, which always puts stickers on their kit. So again, this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio saying good night, God bless, and take care. Happy building, guys.